Hello and welcome to part 2 of the 5 greatest video editing gigs in the world. These are 5 more jobs of why you should get into video editing, because you could very well end up with one of them. My name is Dom, I'm the resident editor at Olufemi, and let's get into it. First up is one that I know a lot of people aspire to. That is editing music videos for big artists. Music videos give you the option to really be creative. Just as the videography is often very artsy and surreal with punchy colors, dreamy sequences, flashy lights, and crazy camera moves, taking those shots into the editing room and putting together a music video gives you a lot of creative freedom to explore cool and funky things. You can try out stuff you'd never dare use on other types of projects. All those over-the-top transitions, light leaks, and sound effects, bring them on. And pairing all of that together with working with big artists, super awesome. If I say the words Richard and Attenborough, what's the first thing that comes to mind? That's right, documentaries. Documentaries are fact-based stories that have the capacity to bring you into new worlds and experiences. They help you discover new people, places, and events. They're essentially a portal, a window into the greatest feats, tales, and adventures that this planet has to offer. Suffice it to say, editing a documentary would be a mammoth of a task. You'd be given hours and hours of footage with the job of sorting through all of that material to find impactful and real moments. And it would be your job to transform that into a narrative that is compelling and truthful, a story that is engaging and has life. You'd have to research intensively, you'd have to stay unbiased, you'd often be working without scripts or storyboards, and good organization would be a must. A daunting task to say the least, but a rewarding one when you pull it off. This next one is a bit of a unicorn. It is editing one-of-a-kind content. I know that sounds vague, but the perfect example is Zach King. Zach started off on YouTube making tutorials on Final Cut Pro. He moved into visual effects soon after, and before too long his videos were going viral. What set him apart was his ability to do magic on video. And each trick he did was something that people had never seen before. And that's what I mean with one-of-a-kind content. A lot of people have started making videos like Zach does, but his creativity and style still set him apart. If you have the luck of working with a creator that makes something that is super unique in their respective space with the potential to go viral, then you can consider yourself mega fortunate. You'd be a one-of-a-kind editor, and this would take a lot of work to stay creative and stay motivated. Another great example is Kabi, known for his videos that silently mock overly complicated life hack videos, like this. I consider this one of the greatest video editing gigs because you'd literally be a pioneer at the forefront of creativity and pushing the boundaries of what it means to be an editor. On the flip side of that is a job that is a little less unique, but that doesn't make it any less awesome. It is editing for a television studio. Just like editing a feature film is an epic job, editing for an actual TV studio working on the biggest shows would be a dream. But unlike feature films, which is very project-based, editing for a TV studio would be a recurring thing. I imagine this type of editing to be quite structured, with episodes storyboarded out in detail before they're even filmed. You'd have to edit episodes like clockwork, stick to quite tight deadlines, and you'd have to be able to submit error-free final products, since most episodes air close together within a season, if not all at once. All of these jobs so far are absolutely epic, but it takes a lot of work and effort to get there. And regardless of what type of work you do, I know you want to get it done as fast as possible and at the highest level. And the way to do that is through templates. So you can do things that you already know how to do, but you know will take you 2 to 3 hours to conjure up. So stop wasting time, start getting your lives back, and check out our partner Envato Elements. They have over 30,000 templates and over 1 million creative assets to help you improve your videos and your clients' videos. And you can get a free 7-day trial now by clicking the link in the description. And last but not least is editing commercials. And I'm talking about the big ones. The ones that get put on the Jumbotrons during the Super Bowl. Commercials are another type of video that allow for a bit more creativity, much like music videos. They really have to capture your attention and make a point in a short time. That's why companies pay big bucks to get them done. Remember Zach King? His unique style recently got him an opportunity to direct and star in an ad for Turkish Airlines. This was tailored after his style, obviously, but there's so many different types of commercials, so you'd find something regardless of what your editing look or style is. These edits would be project-based with tight deadlines, lots of oversight from the media or marketing department of whatever company you're shooting for. And all the shots would need to work flawlessly together to get your message across. Expect to work hard, but to be paid well for your efforts. And that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments which you aspire to work towards, and if there's any others that I didn't list that you think are amazing. Stay awesome, stay creative, and as Josh always says,
thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, remember to keep it chill.